I am absolutely passionate about helping small business owners realize their dream of growing their business. Bringing in new customers, attracting and retaining employees, and transferring power to the business so it's not owner dependent are three of the most common challenges a business owner will face when trying to scale. In my 20+ years of helping small businesses grow, I realized that there was one strategic exercise that they could do or they could perform that would help them solve all three of those challenges. Now, before I get to what that exercise is, I want to tell you a little bit about how I got to that insight, because it involved a mindset shift that, once I understood it, helped my clients grow faster and easier. Looking back at all of my small business clients who all face similar challenges to these three, I came to the epiphany that if they had taken the time to stop and identify and communicate their brand up front, they could have scaled faster, easier, and made a lot less mistakes. Because the brand is the voice of your business strategy. They're two sides of the same coin. Now, the business strategy is internal focused. It deals with your revenue model and your customer segments and your operational structure. The brand, the flip side of that coin, has an external focus. It's the experience people have when they deal with your organization. And it deals with your go-to-market strategy or your customer journey, or it deals with the relevant messages to attract customers and even employees. The brand strategy gives you the opportunity to bring your business strategy and your future vision to life. Now, before I move on, I have to say I wasn't always a true believer in the brand. I went to school, I studied marketing, I worked for a large corporation, and I thought branding was just something nice to talk about. It wasn't until I started consulting with these small businesses that I became a true believer, that I saw how essential the brand was to guide them forward. So let me ask you, have you identified your brand, and is it giving you the focus and clarity you need to go from where you are now to that future that you envision? If not, I invite you to take the time to identify the brand. It's never too late to do that, so you can continue to be the hero to your employees, your family, and most importantly, to yourself, to honor your dreams. Thank you.